Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. All of you are highly welcome to my channel. I've shown you that you can use your skills to start earning money in the current world. What do you know about? Teach it to other people, sell it to other people as a service, and earn money legitimately today from the comfort of your house. We can explore it further by going on YouTube, which is the next way of making money online. In fact, the highest earner on YouTube is a kid. He's not even a teenager, he's a kid, Ryan Kaji, and he earns about $28 million per year by just revealing toys, playing on YouTube. So you too can earn money from YouTube by vlogging, teaching something that you know, talking about your life, anything. You can upload motivational videos, you can do a lot of things on YouTube that you will use to earn a lot as a teenager. And I will encourage you to go with what aligns with you. On YouTube, for you to start earning money, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. If you're able to accumulate that, you'll be able to monetize your video through YouTube ads. And also, as you start growing your YouTube channel, brands reach out to you for sponsorship. And you too can start making money by selling courses, selling merch, or posting affiliates on your YouTube description link. So you can see that there are several ways that YouTubers make money. You've already heard about YouTube before, so I'm sure that this is not your first time of hearing that YouTubers earn money. And there are people that earn a significant amount of money by just posting their daily life, posting how they study, posting how they work, posting their family life, posting how they cook. So what are you good at? YouTube can't wait to have you, even as a teenager. So let's go to YouTube and see what YouTube has for us that you too can do. So you see there are different platforms here that you too can put videos on. There are different areas to explore on YouTube. Trending, music, movies, live gaming, news, sports, learning, fashion and beauty. So there are different areas here that you too can explore. Post a video on it consistently to grow your audience in order to monetize your video. And a lot of people are earning money just by posting videos on YouTube. So I always encourage you to go with what is comfortable for you because you want it to feel natural. You want it to be on your niche. It can be a travel video. You've watched videos on YouTube. So similar to what you watch, you can start posting videos in that niche or in that area. And what I would advise you is be unique. Be yourself. Learn from other people, but still be yourself. Be unique. Retain your uniqueness. Don't just go and copy people and forget yourself. There are already tons and tons of videos on YouTube. So why would someone watch you? Give them a reason to watch you by showing your unique self, by showing you the true person in you. So you, instead of being the one always watching, commenting, criticizing, applauding, you are now the content creator. You are not the YouTuber. Start YouTube today. So you can see on Forbes the list of the highest earners on YouTube, and they earn in millions of dollars every year. So you already know our friend, Mr. Beast, Jake Paul. We have Markiplier, Reach and Link, Unspeakable, Nasia. She's even a girl, she's even young, a child. Much more you, a teenager. We have Ryan Kaji. Ryan Kaji is here. We have Dude Perfect. We have Logan Paul, Preston Axment. So you see, you too can start posting on YouTube videos today and start earning like these ones. So since we are talking about YouTube, let's explore the general field of content creation. It's not only YouTube that you can post in order to make money. You can equally post on Instagram, post on TikTok, post on Twitch, post on Facebook, Binance Live. There are different platforms coming by the day that you can grow an audience and monetize. So the key way to earn money from content creation is go for the area that you like. You need to post what you like so that it will be natural. People that are watching you can be able to read through it. If you're someone that likes playing games, post videos on playing games. If you're someone that likes talking about money and finance, just like me, post videos in personal finance. If you're someone that likes vlog, go for it. So post videos in your niche. Establish an area that you like and post videos consistently in order to grow an audience. And the video you put on YouTube, you can cross promote it, which means you can post the same video on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, and other websites. And what's important is for you to grow an audience. And as you grow your audience, you can monetize your video by allowing ads to be played on your video. Also, you can get brand deals and sponsorship that you can use to grow your income stream. And also, you can sell different things, different materials, content to your followers, even as you keep growing your audience. I'm sure that you've seen this guy, Kabilame. He posts on TikTok very well. He's very popular. He's a popular figure on TikTok, and he has how many followers? 144 million followers. So you see, you too can be the next Kabilame by posting on TikTok. And now he's even a boss brand ambassador, and he earns a lot these days because he posts videos on TikTok. So you too, as a teenager, can start posting on social media. YouTube is there, TikTok is there, Facebook is there, Instagram is there. There are different people that we can explore here. See, this one posts about love. There are different areas that exist. So it depends on what you want to go for. We can talk about it day and night. And at the end of the day, what's important is what you as a person is ready to go for and explore. So if you're someone that can sing like Ed Sheeran, you can be posting your songs there. If you're someone that can dance, like me, you can be posting your dancing steps there, teach people how to dance, explore the music industry. If it's someone that can tell joke, come on, that's a platform for you to launch. Do you love to be in the public's eye? Social media gives you the best platform to explore that area, to show your skill to the world and measure how well you're doing and how well you can do in content creation. Thank you guys for watching this video. I highly appreciate. You know the tradition in this channel. We smash the like button. We smash the subscribe button. Oh yeah, now you know the rules and regulations. Smash the like button. Otherwise, I will tell crypto to fall further. If you want Bitcoin to rebound and give you some dose, you know what to do. Smash, smash, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.